Alrighty, so here we are in the back seat of the 89 Jeep YJ, also known as the old goat. And I'll show you what I put in here for my son who sits in the back seat, or if my wife sits back there, or anyone for that matter. Went ahead and put a little USB and 12-volt accessory dealie in there, and I'll show you where I got it and how I did it. Stand by. Alright, so I was at Walmart and I saw this thingy here. Just meant to slide in between your seat and your center console, and you can, I guess, stick a phone or a tablet or your wallet or whatever in there while you're charging your devices. Let me see, here's a better picture of it here. Kind of see how it works. Just supposed to plug into your existing auxiliary port, or cigarette lighter or whatnot. I took all that apart. We don't need any of that. So I'll show you what I did. Alright, so I've already got this Tuffy box here mounted in the middle of the Jeep. And I just drilled a couple holes to secure that on there. Let's see if I could show you that here. Yeah, there you go. You can see the two little screws and washers there. They're actually little machine screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Just centered it up, mounted it on there. There's a little wire coming down. Alright, so there's the inside there. You can see a couple of those machine screws with washers on there. They just go through the other side. Got a couple nuts, washers on the back with some Loctite. That's what's holding that on there. There's that Tuffy box there, so you see how that's done. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I can't stand wires. This here is just, an auxiliary cord, so I can plug something in. I was just testing it. You can see it lit up there. I'm going to pull that out of there. So there's your 12-volt accessory right there. And then next to it, of course, you've got the USB right there. Try to get this. There you go. You can see the USB and the 12-volt. Then you got some little pockets and whatnot. So I just ran the wire down there. And I already had pre-existing wires ran for the amplifier. So I just grounded it right there at the grounding lug. And then from there, I just loomed the positive. And just basically ran it all the way under here, can't see anything. Ran it out to under my hood. Now, I didn't have to run it under the hood. I could have tapped in anywhere in there because it hardly draws any juice at all. But since I have this dedicated fuse block I put in here, I just ran it there. And you can see that one right there says, see if I can get the light on there, get it to focus. Let's see if it's going to focus for us. There we go, USB rear seat. See what all I'm running on there. But that top one right there, USB rear seat. Loomed it, ran it through an existing loom right here. And that's how I did it. So now whoever's in the back seat can charge up their phone or tablet or, whatever else they need to hook up back there. All right, thanks for watching. And I already showed it lit up, but just to show it works, we'll just pop that in there. There you go. See, it's lit up. I've already tested it. Everything's good with it. But I like it. I mean, heck, it kind of looks like it could have come with it, huh? Well, it's on there real nice. If this would have been like a real nice or newer vehicle, you wouldn't even see that little wire there. I would have hit that too. I would have went inside and dropped it down. But for this whole thing, I could care less. That's good enough for me. Alrighty, thanks for watching, YouTube.